We are at the Harvest Crusade, giving out some free coffee samples. What did you think? Did you like it?
Yes.
Is it good?
Really good.
Yeah. Do you guys like it?
Yeah.
Try it.
Thank you.
It's delicious. You guys have fun at the Crusade, okay? Melody.
Wow,
It's hard to get here,
try
right?
Some free iced coffee?
Yes.
It's a journey. Journey through the wilderness.
Guys working.
Working hard. Sharing the word.
Free iced coffee, guys. Free iced coffee. Come get some iced coffee for free. I know you guys are hot. You guys are thirsty. We're at the Harvest Crusade here at the Anaheim Stadium. Ready to get some GANO new affiliates. Come get some iced coffee, guys, for free. Come on.
Better than Starbucks.
Better than Starbucks. For free, come on.
What state you guys coming out from?
No.
California?
You guys are
good stuff.
Come get some free iced coffee.
Free coffee,
man.
look like you want some iced coffee.
You want some iced coffee? Please. Andy, give this lady. Look at these little people. Get some. Free iced coffee.
Not here right now, but she will hook you up with stuff.
Iced coffee.
Here we go, here we go.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Eric. Look at all of these people, guys. Look at him. Oh, he needs some Tonka.
Babies love me.
Hi.
He's like, get that camera out my face. No comment. No.
Lay down.
How you doing?
On three.
On the foot, on the foot.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Oh my. It's awesome.
Apply to win a shirt on some of these contests that are happening. Come as you are. You'll break the power of addiction in your life. Break whatever it is that's holding on to you. You gotta come. You might. He'll change you, but you must come. Crystal's gonna sing again.
We are on the Angels Stadium.
He knows all about you already. You may not know much about him.